Bossing na para mag-celebrate dahil birthday na ni
Bossing! Mga Dabarkads, alam mong henerasyon nakiki-birthday kay Bossing dito ang Steam Studio!
Ang dami nakiki-birthday!
Oo nga, oo.
Happy birthday, Bossing! Mahal ka namin!
Hey, Mama Chup Chup!
Happy birthday!
Ito, Bossing, your age is right! Happy
Yeah!
birthday! Enjoy every moment of your special day, Bossing Vic!
Yes!
Mama Chup Chup!
Ay, happy birthday! Sabay-sabay tayo!
Pero parang no, sana wala si Alan.
Wala akong nagsabi. Lahat happy birthday lang. Alam mo baka kung ano pa sabihin mo, mabuti pa niyan, tawagin na natin ang birthday boy. Everybody!
Happy birthday!
Kasi siya po.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y
Thank you, thank you.
bibitawan hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan.
Happy birthday, Bossing!
Happy birthday, Bossing! Happy birthday!
Bossing, dahil birthday mo, may regalo kami sa'yo.
Oh, talaga?
Yes!
Grabe naman, baka di ako ma-surprise na.
Pero matutuwa ka.
Yes!
Ay, oh,
Kaya
sigurado.
simulan na ang birthday party!
Let's party, Dabarkads!
So many adventures couldn't happen a day. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. We let them come true. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever? Forever and ever. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever? Forever and ever. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever? Forever, forever young. Two, three, four.
Now I mean you. Crank that soul. Now I mean you. Crank that soul. Now what? Soulja Boy.
DJ.
Check this out.
Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Also sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is overlight. Oh my Lord, never let no one like you before. Had to make your own sunshine. And now the sky is overlight. Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Also sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is overlight. Oh my Lord, never let no one like you before. Had to make your own sunshine. And now the sky is
Happy birthday, Bossing!
Happy birthday!
Surprise, Bossing!
Happy birthday, bossing!
Happy birthday!
Ngayon,
Hoy, first time nyo napasayaw si Bossing, ha?
ngayon alam ko na ba't nagsisakitan ng mga paa nito. Nakita ko sa likod, minamasahe yung paa.
Para sa'yo, bossing. Happy birthday!
Thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday, Bossing!
Paano hindi sasakit ang paa? Nagsusuper-super.
Soulja Boy.
Para sa birthday boy!
Yan!
Thank you.
Tsaka galing ha, paano nila tinago si Tali at si Mochi?
Alam kaya ni Mochi ginagawa niya?
Hindi.
Parang hindi. Kasi talikod siya na
Pero
talikod
sumasayaw,
siya. Panood niya yung iba. Sabi niya, ba't parang iba yung galaw ko sa kanila?
Nakikita niya
Hoy,
si
anong
boy.
ginagawa mo dyan? Bakit na nandiyan? Halika dito.
Halika rito, Mrs.
Boleng!
Isis!
Ang ginagawa mo rito, nasa ATC ka.
Nagsinungaling na naman ako sa asawa.
Baka surprise lang.
Well, ang unang magbabate, special one. Ikaw
Hoy, mauna ka
Okay,
na.
well, happy birthday. You are looking very young. Yes.
Sabi nga nung kanta, Forever Young.
Yes.
Ginawa niyo akong vampira eh.
I wanna thank you for sa lahat ng sakripisyo, sa lahat ng pagmamahal, and for giving time and for being so intentional with our family life. We love you so much and we thank God for you and your life, and always be healthy and God bless you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Tali. Ikaw naman, Tali.
Kinikilig si Tali habang nagme-message si
Happy
Pauline.
birthday, Dad. I love you and thank you for all the sacrifices that you've given us. And thank you for making our life comfortable. Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you.
Alam mo, totoo yung sacrifice dahil makasama niyo si Alan kay sacrifice talaga.
Ako naman nakatabi lang.
Oh, si Mochi, baka pa
Mochi!
Mochi.
Happy birthday!
Nag-practice to kanina, may
Napagod.
message eh.
Ayaw na.
Happy birthday!
Oy, shush! Wala. Mamaya ulit.
Parang may sinasabi na siya kanina eh.
Oo nga. Sabi niya,
Oo.
happy birthday, Dada.
Ay,
Ay, shush!
shy na. Shy na siya.
Okay, ako naman pare, simple lang.
Ay,
I love you pare.
Love you too.
Aww. Aww.
Si Lola Chat, ikaw ang nagturo. Si Mother Lou, thank you.
Okay. Oh, kayo. Ryan, ikaw muna.
Bossing, Kung may pagpapaalam ko lang po, may babatiin lang din po muna ako bago bumati sa inyo, bossing.
Batiin na rin kita. Happy anniversary.
Ay, salamat po, bossing.
happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, sweetheart. Kinauno namin talaga sa birthday ninyo, bossing, dahil ang April 28 daw po ay napaka-auspicious na date. And napakaswerte raw po niyan. Tapos, kayo ang may birthday ng 28. Tingin ko, kayo talaga ang nagpapaswerte ng April 28.
Yes.
Happy birthday po, bossing. Love you po.
Mengay.
Happy birthday, bossing! Maraming salamat po sa 1,000 isang tuwa. 1,000
Alam mo, ginulat mo kami. Hindi ko kailangan kasama ka doon sa opening number.
Surprise yun, Boss Joey! Maraming salamat po, bossing, sa pagmamahal at pagtanggap po na binibigay niyo po sa amin. At maraming salamat po for sharing your time with us every day. We're grateful for you and we're grateful to you. Always and always, bossing. We love you,
Thank
bossing!
you, thank you.
Alan,
birthday,
bahala ka
bossing.
dyan sa side na yan.
Ha?
Ikaw naman dyan sa side na yan.
Oy, Yul,
Ako po.
Korean. Para maintindihan ni Bossing, Korean.
안녕하세요. 1, 2, 3, 4.
안녕하세요.
생일 축하드립니다, bossing. Happy birthday po, bossing. Maraming salamat sa suporta. And then also your humor, that other talents got spotlight as well. And then your sacrifice to other talents as well. So we are always happy and thank you so much po to make me to be here together sa Ipulaga. And then I hope to see you more and more. Stay happy and healthy always po.
Ang dami
Oh,
sinabi.
ito na.
Ikaw naman,
Samnam nila.
Kapampangan.
감사합니다.
Ikaw naman, Kapampangan.
Dada. Dada. Nakidada.
Nakidada.
Nahawa lang po, bossing. Tawan-tawa tali. Happy birthday po, bossing. Isa lang po masasabi namin. 6, 7. Your turn. Happy birthday, bossing. Maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng pagmamahal niyo sa amin at support po. At mahal na mahal ka namin, bossing. We love you. Happy birthday po.
Thank
Okay,
you, Rice.
bumati na lahat. Bumati na
Ay,
lahat.
ako hindi pa.
Salam, ha?
Ako hindi pa.
Pangalan ba, Boss Joey?
Magbabati din ako.
Oh, sige na, sige na pa.
Una-una.
Magbigyan na natin.
Na-appreciate
Sige, bate.
namin yung sayaw mo kanina, Bossing. Ngayon ka lang namin nakita sumayaw.
Hinatak ako.
Hinata ka ni Tali. Pero Bossing, ang totoo niyan, maraming salamat kasi inspirasyon ka sa amin. After 46, magpo-47 years ang Itbulaga, ang sipag mo pa rin pumasok. Every day. Kaya pag tinatamad kami minsan, iisipin lang namin na si Bossing nga pumasok 47 years, tayo pa kayong ilang taon
Correct.
pa lang. Thank you, Bossing, for being
Thank
an
you, Bossing.
inspiration to all of
Salamat
us.
din. Kaya
Long
bukas-
life for you,
Kaya
Bossing.
bukas absent ako.
Wak!
Birthday naman!
Birthday naman.
Yung
Oh.
AI sa LED.
Magaling sumayaw kanina. Kasabay
Oo,
namin
eh.
sumayaw, bossing.
Babati rin yun?
Tsaka
Ibang
ng
issue,
bayo.
Ay,
Ito,
ito.
Bossing, may babati pa sa inyo.
Marami pang babate, bossing.
Okay,
Ito po.
ito pare.
Wishing you many more blessings and we love you, bossing. Happy birthday. Get ow! Happy birthday, bossing.
Bossing, mag-ingay! Happy birthday, Bossing! Pupunta ako sa birthday party mo para mag-take out. Mama, chup chup! Happy birthday, Bossing! I love you!
Happy birthday, Bossing. Sana lagi kang masaya at sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Nya, 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 nya.
Ay, alam ko yun, siya yung unggoy.
Ako yung
Happy birthday,
Bossing. Kahit na second childhood na tayo, ayos pa rin tayo. Happy birthday!
Yun yung matandang bata. Matured. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Oh,
Thank you.
Happy
siyempre,
birthday po,
birthday.
bossing.
Hindi mo
Salamat.
mawawala ito.
Ay, may cake.
Sa inyong lahat, salamat sa staff, kay Jenny, kay Pucci. 47 years ko nang ginagawa and nasusurprise pa rin naman ako. Thank you so much. I love you all and may God bless us all.
Okay, everybody sing!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
To you.
Happy birthday, bossing!
Birthday. Happy birthday.
thank you sa cake. Thank you rin yung pa-cake ng Flanax at ng Bonamin. Maraming salamat. Ganun din ang Lemon Square Bakery Treats. Thank you. Bubbly Bakers. Maraming salamat.
Hey, happy birthday, bossing!
Mang Bert.
Happy birthday!
Salamat sa pakain.